What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and smashing the like button. Thank you for doing all this. I really appreciate it, and I'd like you to be part of XCC Tunes journey. Alright, if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification and smash that like button as well, so that you can also be part of my community or family or whatever you want to call it. All right, so in this video I'll be making a Halloween type instrumental horror theme music, and so I'll be making this music from scratch so you can see how the process and everything. I also will be sharing some arrangement techniques that you can use in your composition right now. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, I'm going to start this music with a bell sound. I've already loaded up the bell, and here how it sounds. So that's the melody that I have right now, so I'm gonna work on it. So let's go ahead and record the melody. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and quantize this. Okay, I like this. I'm gonna add some kind of randomization here. So I'm hearing one more note on top, so let's go ahead and add that note. G sharp. Okay, let's go ahead and add reverb here. I'm gonna increase the pre-delay and more tail, and I'm gonna add halftime as well. Nice. Okay, now let's add a few more things on top of this bell. I'm gonna add I'm gonna add harp. Okay, what I did now is I drag the bell melody to harp's MIDI track so that both have the same melody. Okay, let's see how it sounds now. It sounds really good, so I'm gonna keep that. Okay, now I'm gonna add a violin. Oh no, let's add cello. And I'm going to create a counter melody from the main melody. So let me show you how I usually do it. Okay, so I'm using a solo cello right now. So the root note of this chord is A. So I'm going to select both the harp and cello and double click on it to open the MIDI editor, the key editor. I don't know why I always call it MIDI editor. It's key editor. Anyway, so now if I go here, I can see harp, I can see cello, so I can, you know, the one which is highlighted is the one that is being selected. So if I select cello, cello's note is highlighted, and vice versa. Now I have this cello, and I'm gonna write a melody like a counter melody, like counterpoints, you know. And then it repeats. So let's hear it. Okay, so actually I want to make it more like humanize it. So I want to add modulation so that sounds realistic. And I'm also gonna like drag this here, add randomize. Okay, let's try. what else can we add? Okay, I'm gonna copy this bell melody over to the right, and I'm gonna change the melody a little bit. B. Let's hear it now. Now that feels scary. Yes. And this one goes to B. This one goes to E. This one back to G. Yeah, let's try that. So let's hear it. Okay, but for the harp here, I don't want to copy the same thing. I want to have some kind of pedal note. Yeah, so pedal note will be playing the root note of the chord. Damn. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this both, and I have like 2 layers already. So which is the main melody and the second melody, which is it's not the melody actually, basically it's just a pedal note. It's not even a pedal note. Yeah, I'm just using the root note of the chord. But now I'm going to use a pedal note, which is the A note for cello. So let's go. Let me bring this down. Now I've got the main theme. Now I need to develop this score, and I'm thinking, what do I do? I'm thinking what to do, but let's go ahead and add. What do I add? Okay, let's do like a sound design stuff, you know. So let's go ahead and add some impact and stuff. These sound effects are cool. I don't want it to be too loud, so I'm reducing the level here. And I'm also gonna cut the low. Okay, I don't like that impact. Let's try that. This is fine, but I'm gonna have to cut the high here. So I'm gonna repeat this guy here. Okay, let's bring in the violin. I want the violin to play the counterpoint, and now I have to be careful because I don't want to clash with the bell melody. Okay, so now I've opened both the bell and cello here. So as you see, cello is just playing the root note, which is A, all the way, and here is the melody, is the bell. So I'm going to select violin, cello, and bell. Okay, for the violin here, I'm gonna add some modulation. Let me add reverb to the violin and cello, because now it sounds so dry. create a melody first, a first melody. I put the counter melody and the chords and everything, and then for the next section, section B, the section A and section B, right? For section B, what I usually do is I take the counter melody from the section A, and then I use that as the main melody for section B, and then I compose another counter melody from that. This is my cheat code basically, and you can do that as well. So let me copy this to the next bar. Violin will be the main, cello will be the counter melody. Okay, the cello here, when it goes high, I have to make sure that the modulation is not too high as well. Okay, I want it to be low here like that, and yeah, let's try. Okay, I'm gonna reduce the velocity here. Let me try to bring this down and see how it sounds. Okay, for the bell here, I'm gonna just compose, you know, like ostinato, and let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna add some 7th note as well. Let's bring this down to E. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, I want to delete the second one here, and this one as well. Get this cello's melody to be played by violin here for the next section here. Okay, I'm gonna move this melody up here. Let's go ahead and get some voice. Yeah, baby. Okay, I'm gonna quantize this all, right? Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this over. Okay guys, so basically this is the most simplest Halloween theme that I've made, but if it's for a film, then I definitely will work more on this theme, and I kind of like this, you know. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys really love this Halloween theme. I hope this music actually gives you the feel of Halloween, right? So I'm gonna play it one more time. Hear it.